I'm gonna introduce a very basic pair of concepts in the Canada immigration field, eligibility and admissibility. Understanding these concepts correctly is crucial for you to understand the entire Canada immigration determination process. First of all, let's look at what they share in common between these two concepts. Obviously, both the eligibility and admissibility are requirements to the applicants. The difference is when we talk about the eligibility requirements, we are always talking about a specific immigration program. For example, the temporary resident program, which includes the visitor visa, study permit, and work permit. They all share a common statutory eligibility requirement, which is the applicant has to satisfy the officer that they will leave Canada by the end of the authorized stay. For the visitor visa, which is also called a temporary resident visa, this is stipulated in the Section B of Article 179 of the regulations. For the study permit, this is stipulated in the subsection B of Section 1 of the Article 200 of the regulations. As to the work permit, this is stipulated in the subsection B of Section 1 of the Article 216 in the IRPR. And besides this common eligibility requirement, each of the program has its own additional eligibility requirement. For example, the visitor visa program requires the applicant to be a genuine visitor. What does that mean? How can we prove that we are a genuine visitor? Well, that's a huge topic to discuss about. For the study permit application, you are gonna need an offer letter from a Canadian designated educational institute. And for the work permit, you are gonna need either a job offer letter supported by an LMIA, or you satisfy the LMA exempted job offer program, or you qualify for the open work permit program such as spousal work permit, or other kinds of that programs. As to the permanent resident programs, there are too many of them, and each of them has their individual eligibility requirement.